Hey, it's been a couple weeks, so let everybody get their reviews out the way. So hey, Platinum 1011s, let's talk about it. What up, guys and girls? It's your boy SGP, back at you again with another one. Alright, today we got a store find, or let's talk about it. We're trying to do a little different things on the channel, trying to give you guys a little bit of variety, because things get stale, things get old. Alright, but today, you see the box. So, it's been a couple weeks on these, so I'm not going to try to give you guys a review. You've already seen them. You know what I'm saying? Platinum Tint 11. So, I want to know what you guys really think. Because this shoe, they've been hating on it. They say it's trash. And we're going to go over some of the reasons why they say the shoe is trash. Right? First off, no one likes that they did a whole new buck upper instead of using the patent leather. Me personally, maybe the patent leather would have looked a little bit better, but I don't hate the shoe just because it doesn't have that patent leather. If you're just buying Jordan 11s just for the patent leather, then what? If the patent leather breaks the deal, you know what I'm saying, then please tell me why no one said anything about the Jeters. No one said anything about the Jeter highs. No one said anything about the gray joints. Patent leather wasn't an issue when those shoes came out. So why is it an issue with this shoe? Or are you just hating? I think you guys are just hating. As a matter of fact, hey, no one said anything about the snakeskin pair. Right, the pink snakeskins, the green snakeskins, we didn't hear that same complaint. You wanted to, right? But I think you're just hating, right? Something else to everyone that I've seen reviewing these shoes saying they don't like. This stripe. Bruh, if this is the thing that's breaking you on the shoe, that little red stripe, hit up a customizer. You got them all over the area. You know who they are. You can get that fixed. You can get that whatever color you want. And you can stop your complaint. If that's the only thing throwing off this whole shoe, if this ruins the Jordan 11 for you, you're not really a Jordan 11 fan. You know what I'm saying? You're just a fanboy. Number 3. They say 11, it looks a little bit different. Looks a little long, a little bulky. It looks like an 11. Put it on your feet, wear it a couple of times. It's going to crease. Back part, yeah, it's going to crumple. Dude, it's an 11. Get over it. It's not going to be perfect. Number 4, they don't like the stitching or the fact that it's not stitched on the back. Get over it, bruh. That's not supposed to throw you out of the shoe. Are you collecting these shoes? Are you wearing these shoes for the detail or the look? Some people have been complaining about the price point. I think these were $220. 11s are, you know what I'm saying, usually $220, $225 anyway. These same people that are complaining about paying $220 for this 11, you about to pay $300, $400 for some Concords. I think you're just bitching to be bitching. I think you're just hating to be hating, you know what I'm saying, honestly. Just trying to find something wrong with this shoe. Some of the things I don't necessarily like about the shoe. It came out in the wrong time of the year. This is not a fall shoe. This shoe is going to get dirty. You're going to have to sit on this shoe for a good 4 months before you can really rock this shoe. This is not a winter shoe. You don't want to break this out up north right now. You know what I'm saying? Nah. Second thing I don't like, the laces. Although the laces are nice. You know what I'm saying? Just regular 11 laces. I would have preferred the laces to be this same color. But that's not a deal breaker for me. If I really needed it to be, I would dye the laces that color. It's not that hard. Get different laces. It's not that hard. We swap out laces all the time in this game. That should not be the deal breaker for you not wanting this shoe. Last and not least, this may be the most important part of the shoe. Because of the color scheme of the shoe, you see I do my lace on 11 just a little bit different than y'all. Y'all don't know how to wear 11s. Really, you know what I'm saying, a lot of y'all don't know how to wear your shoes. Ask this question. Hey, your favorite shoe tuber, can he dress? That's a good question. You know what I'm saying? You're taking trash or past comments, you know what I'm saying, on the validity of a shoe from a guy who can't dress. You got 100, 200, 300, 400 pair of shoes. Your shoes are so fly. But from the ankles up, most of these shoe tubers are trash. They can't hook nothing up with this. I've seen the lookbooks like, oh, let me see what I can wear with this. Oh, a black shirt, a red shirt, a white shirt. Dude, you got no style. This is more like a lifestyle shoe where you got to pull something out. You got to make this into something. You know what I'm saying? You put this with the right fit. If you got the right eye for this type of stuff, yeah, this shoe gonna set fire. And when you see somebody else set fire with it, you might go, oh, well, damn, man, everybody slept on them. Nah. It's just you listen to guys who ain't got no style. Go look at the gram. You know what I'm saying? What are they doing from the ankles up? Hey, but that's my little rant on this right here. You know what I'm saying? We're going to get you some on-feats of these in the upcoming videos. Keep rocking with your boy. Let me know what you think about this video down in the comments. Hey, oh, yeah, I got these from Jimmy Jazz too, so if anybody wanted to know, walked in and picked them up. Thanks for sleeping on them. Needed that. You know what I'm saying? But hey, let me know down in the comments what you think. If you agree with me or disagree with me, put it down in the comments. Or hey, make another video and let me know your opinion. Let me really know if your favorite shoe tuber can dress. Or if he's just wearing hype stuff. Just because you're wearing a bunch of Supreme don't mean you can dress. I can wear Louis from head to toe. That don't mean I can dress. That means I can buy something off the mannequin. That means I can buy something off the mannequin, right? But hey, drop in the comments, man. We out.